Today we're going to the grocery. As much as possible, we don't want to go out the house just to be safe. We want to just stay home and not get the virus or not spread the virus if we have it. With my brother, Jesse. Hello.
Hello.
I have my mask. We also brought wet wipes, gloves, and spraying alcohol. We also made a list of the stuff that we need to buy. Oh, look. The road is almost empty. Not too much people are driving around. Usually in and out is always packed, but look, it's empty. We are here at Ralph's, our first destination. Okay, we're going out now, so I'm gonna wear my gloves and disinfect your shopping cart. When you pick an item here at the groceries, don't touch it. Decide what you want to pick and then finally get the product. As much as possible, I don't touch the stuff. I let my brother get our groceries. Don't forget to practice social distancing. Coronavirus! Always follow instructions. On the checkout, I'm so far away from him too.
Take your banana.
We're gonna go to our second destination, another grocery. Now I'm gonna take off my gloves first because this has germs already. Spraying my hands some alcohol to disinfect. We're now here at our second destination. I put on new gloves. Disinfect the cart and then wipe it. No rubbing alcohol anymore, so I'm just getting vinegar to disinfect. So as soon as we got home, the first thing I did was I took a shower, I changed my clothes, and unpacked my groceries. Do you know that you could also bring home bacteria from the stuff you got from the groceries? These are the bags that I used at the groceries earlier. So this will go straight to the laundry. Make sure everything is germ-free before you store it in your pantry or in your kitchen cabinet. I spray it with disinfectant alcohol and wipe it on the bag of rice. I know it's a lot of work, but since we're on a lockdown, we have a lot of time to do this. For the fruits, I wash it with water and soap. After I disinfect all my groceries, I also clean my doorknobs. And also, I disinfect my cell phone too and the camera that I use to shoot this video. There you have it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do so, please don't forget to hit the like button. This is Jamie Bacani again. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and we are praying for everyone's safety, and we are hoping that this virus will stop spreading soon. Are you washing your hands all the time?
Yeah.
Good job.